Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we are going to talk about the stacked wall in Revit. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. On this plan view, we are going to draw a wall. Let's go to the 3D view for a better visual of the entire wall. Select the wall. Then on the Properties palette, we are going to check all the default wall types. Then you will notice that at the bottom, there is one sample of a stacked wall. Let's select that. Now, we can see that the wall has two different types. Let's change the display option to shaded. Then select Edit Type to check out the composition of the stacked wall. Let's click Duplicate to create our own stacked wall and rename. Click Edit, and click Preview. In this edit assembly, there are two types of wall that are stacked with each other. We are going to change the type of wall from selection. Once we are happy with our selections, we can also change the height of the wall according to how we want it. Then click OK. Let's duplicate again the stacked wall. Then we are going to click Insert to add one more layer. Then we are just going to select another wall type. Then indicate the height. Then click OK. Now you can see 3 layers of wall stacked on top of each other. We are going to copy the wall and change it to a simple wall. We are going to show the manual way to create a stacked wall. However, the disadvantage of doing this is that the walls are separated even though they are stacked on top of each other. So it is still convenient to use stacked wall instead of doing separate walls. It will be easier to manage also whenever there are changes on our layout. You guys can practice and explore how much you can do with a stacked wall. Alright, that's it for now. We hope that this tutorial has helped you guys to learn something new in Revit architecture. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of a tutorial that we should do. See you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.